The 2025 KTM 450SXF and 250SXF factory editions are high-performance motocross machines tailored for professional riders and enthusiasts. These ready-to race bikes are engineered for top-tier competition and come adorned with Red Bull KTM factory racing graphics. They pay homage to riders Chase Sexton, number 4, Aaron Plessinger, number 7, and Tom Vialle, number 1, who will represent KTM in the 2025 AMA Supercross and Motocross series. Priced competitively and designed with precision, these models embody KTM's championship-winning legacy and push the boundaries of motocross performance. Advanced engine performance and reliability. The factory editions feature lightweight and centralized single-cylinder engines with components designed for durability and smooth performance. Key upgrades include a cylinder, piston, and crankshaft engineered for consistent power delivery and extended service intervals. Both models are equipped with a high-performance Akrapovič slip-on muffler, a 44mm Keihin throttle body, and Pankl Racing 5-speed gearboxes with quickshifter for seamless gear transitions. These enhancements deliver reliable torque and exceptional power, making them suitable for diverse racing styles and conditions. Precision engineering and chassis design. The hydroformed, laser-cut, and robot-welded steel frames are optimized for torsional and longitudinal flex, ensuring unmatched rider feedback and control. The anti-squat concept integrated into the chassis enhances handling by improving acceleration and braking stability. The lightweight aluminum subframe, combined with a carefully designed rider triangle, supports ergonomic control, enabling riders to navigate challenging terrain with confidence. The chassis incorporates fully adjustable WP XACT suspension with 48mm ER split air forks and a rear shock offering dual compression control. These components provide a tailored riding experience with tool-free adjustments and enhanced ground clearance. Features for unmatched performance. The 2025 factory editions are packed with premium features, including engine mapping with traction and launch control, larger footrests for improved grip, and Brembo clutch and brakes for superior stopping power. The Connectivity Unit Offroad allows riders to customize engine settings via the KTM Connect app, delivering a personalized riding experience. Additional components such as Keihin handlebars, Dunlop Geomax MX34 tires, and DID wheels contribute to the bike's competitive edge. Maintenance is simplified with toolless air filter access and visible servicing marks. Race-ready aesthetics and customization. The bikes sport new race-inspired graphics and trim for 2025, reflecting KTM's commitment to style and performance. With numbers corresponding to the team's riders, these models bring fans closer to the pro racing experience. Over 20 KTM power parts are available for riders to further enhance both the performance and aesthetics of their bikes, ensuring a highly customizable and competitive ride. Pricing and availability. The 2025 KTM 450SXF and 250SXF factory editions are priced starting at $12,099 and $11,599, respectively. These premium motocross bikes represent the pinnacle of KTM engineering and are built for riders who demand the best in performance, design, and technology. With limited availability, they are set to become coveted models for both racers and collectors.